Hello and welcome to this week's guided meditation. Begin by finding a position that feels supportive. You may be seated or lying down. Let your body choose what it needs in this moment. When you're ready, close your eyes or soften your gaze and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and let it all out through the mouth. Again, in through your nose and out through the mouth. Continuing to breathe at a deep and rhythmic flow. Let the world pause for a moment. You are safe to simply be. This is a space where your full humanity is welcome. Take another breath. Feel where your body meets the surface beneath you, and let yourself fully arrive. I want you to know that your rage is sacred. It is not a flaw or a failure of spirituality. It's not even something to transcend. Rage is a form of love. It rises within us when something precious has been crossed. It appears when truth has been ignored. It arrives when the soul says, "This matters." Sacred rage is clarity. It is life force. It is the immune response of the heart. And you're not here today to get rid of your rage. You are here to listen to it, to honor it, to let it move in ways that protect life rather than destroy it. Let's take another deep breath and let that settle. Say quietly, either aloud or inside, "My rage is allowed to be here." Again, my rage is allowed to be here. Bringing your attention back to your breath, notice where breath moves easily, and notice where it feels shallow or light. Place one hand on your belly, one hand on your heart, and feel the rhythm of your body breathing itself. Let this be your anchor. You can return here anytime. Bring your awareness to your feet. Notice sensation, warmth, pressure, stillness. Slowly move your attention up through your legs, your calves, your knees, your thighs. Let each area soften as much as it's willing. Bring your awareness to your hips and pelvis. This is a place of instinct and power. Notice what lives here. Now move your attention to your belly, your solar plexus. This is where rage often gathers, where boundaries are born, where the body says no. Notice any heat or tightness, movement or emotion. We're not here to change it, only witness it. Now bring awareness to your chest, your heart. Notice what is held here alongside rage. Often grief lives nearby. Breathe gently into this space. Now move awareness to your throat, your jaw, your face. Unclench if possible. Let the tongue rest. Finally, bring awareness to the crown of your head. Your whole body is listening now. Now imagine your rage as something alive. It's okay if you don't picture it perfectly. You may sense it instead. It may feel like heat or fire, like electricity or pressure, maybe a gentle presence. Instead of pushing it away, imagine turning toward it, opening your arms and saying, "I see you." Ask gently, what are you protecting? Let the answer come in sensation, image, or feeling. Rage protects life. It guards what matters. Thank it for showing up. Now imagine creating a sacred space inside your body. It might look like a hearth, a fire pit, an altar, a circle of stones, a place where fire is tended with care. Invite your rage into this space. Here, rage is not explosive. It is honored, respected, known. See it transforming, Fire becoming warmth, heat becoming strength, pressure becoming clarity. Say quietly, "You belong," and breathe. Rage wants a voice. It doesn't want to harm, it wants to be known. You may speak aloud if you're alone, or speak internally. Begin with, "I am angry about," and let the words come without editing. This is not the space to be fair or polite. This is a sacred truth-telling space. If movement comes, let it. Press your feet into the ground or tense and release your hands. Let sounds emerge. You are letting an energy cycle complete. I am angry about. Taking a deep breath and letting the energy settle. Feel the spaciousness available as you spoke out your truths. And now imagine a place where you can rest your rage. Earth or fire, water or stone. We're not giving it away. We're setting it down with reverence. Say to your rage, "Thank you for protecting me." Notice what remains in your body. Often beneath rage is tenderness, love, and care. Let yourself feel that. Feel your body now. Notice any shifts, any space, any grounding. And from this place ask, what wants to move through me next? You may receive an impulse or nothing at all. Both are perfect. What wants to move through me next? Taking another deep breath in through your nose. Exhale audibly through your mouth. Bring awareness back to the room. Feel the surface beneath you. Feel your breath. Placing one hand on your belly and one on your heart. Say, "I trust my rage." Again, I trust my rage. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. You may want to journal, create, rest, or speak. Let whatever comes be enough. I want you to remember this. Your rage is sacred. Your care is sacred. Your aliveness is sacred. Thank you for listening. Namaste.